In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send big videos on Telegram. A lot of people run into issues when their videos are too large to send as a normal file or clip. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step, and explain a few useful tips along the way. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into the right account and that you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi if your video file is very large. Next, open the chat where you want to send the video. This can be a private chat with a friend, a group, or even your own saved messages if you just want to store or transfer the file between devices. Now, instead of using the normal camera or video option that compresses your clip, you'll want to attach the file directly. Look for the attachment icon, usually a paperclip or plus sign, and tap on it. From the menu that appears, choose to send a file rather than a gallery video. This is important because sending it as a file keeps the quality higher and allows for larger sizes. Navigate to the location where your video is stored. On most phones, this will be in your Videos or Downloads folder. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions or edits. Once you've found it, tap to select it. Telegram will show you a preview with the file name and size, so you can double-check everything before sending. If Telegram supports the size of your video based on your account and the current limits, go ahead and tap Send. Be patient while it uploads. Larger videos can take a while, and the progress bar will show you how it's going. Try not to switch networks or close the app completely during this time to avoid interruptions. If the file is too big and Telegram won't send it, you have a couple of options. You can compress the video using a video compression app or software, reducing the resolution or bitrate slightly so it fits within the allowed limit. After compressing, repeat the same process. Attach it as a file from your storage and send it again. And that's how to send big videos on Telegram, keeping the quality high and avoiding common errors.